Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl the Quinn and I am back. I am alive. Yes, I am still here. I know you guys haven't heard from me for about a month or over a month, but I apologize. I really hope you guys can understand my situation. I was in a really tight situation where I had to scrape to meet some extremely ridiculous deadlines, but I'm back now, and trust me, I'm planning on pushing out a lot of videos for you guys. So this video is to first of all apologize for my absence. I also want to get once again your suggestions for tutorials and videos that you guys want me to do. I was making record of them at one point, but I don't know how. I just lost the record. I am just so out of it and I need to get back into my groove. Now first of all, the updates to my website. As you guys may have already known, I have a website in which I provide all of my tutorials and video for you guys all in one place. It's an all-in-one resource where you have access to my YouTube videos and their transcripts. Even though all the transcripts are not on there as yet, I have yet to be able to type up the ones for the older videos, but they will eventually be done. I just want to note that there have been 2 updates to my website. Under my services tab, in which I provide audio editing services, there is now a link under that audio editing section. We'll be able to see the prices of my audio editing services. If you need me to do podcast editing, audio advertisement editing, anything of that sort, you'll be able to see some prices listed there, and you can always contact me to inquire more or to hire my services. Also, I want to note that a new service has been provided under that tab, in which for you guys who have been enjoying my videos so far and you want more, probably you have a specific application that you want me to sit down and teach you how to use one-on-one other than just through a YouTube video. Well, I'm making that available now on my website for just $15 per hour. So you guys can go ahead, you can look under that section, and for any of these services, you guys can contact me via my email, which will be down below in the description. That's theequinnpublic@gmail.com. So that's theequinnpublic@gmail.com. Now the next thing on the list, because I've been out of it for a while now, I kind of need to get back into my groove. So I need feedback from you guys to know what exactly you want me to be uploading, what kind of uploads you want me to continue with. So I need your suggestions. So what I'm asking of you is for different topics or for different things that you want me to focus on, I would love for you to go down into the comments below. So if you're a fan of the HTML series and you want me to continue it, you can always tell me continue the HTML series. And you can type in more than one thing that you want me to do, because really and truly I need to start pushing out a lot of videos to make up for this big 1 month gap that I missed with you guys. So what I want you to do right now is to go down in the comments below and to let me know your suggestions for my videos. And before you write a suggestion, you can always look at others' comments as well, and if you agree with them, you can simply reply to their comment saying I agree, so that I can tally it up to see which suggestion has the highest rank, so I know that it's top priority compared to the other suggestions. And for those of you who do not know how to leave a comment on my video, let's get right into that. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to find one of my videos. So what I'm gonna do here is to go onto my website and go into my videos tab and click on one of my videos.
Toolbar TheeQuinn.vercel.app. theequinn.versal.app selected. Document busy blank. Home-thequinn.
Alright, now I'll press my K key to jump quickly to the videos tab link.
Banner list with videos visited link.
Then I'll press enter.
Videos-thequinn. Banner landmark.
Now, if I press my heading level 3, I can be able to navigate through the video headings quickly.
Main landmark coding HTML with NVDA-part 4 left.
Alright, now let's click enter on this one.
Untitled-Google Chrome-the. Document busy blank.
Welcome into the world
Main
of
landmark.
HTML. 3. Boot up your computer.
Mode, so Windows sign in dialog.
2. Grab some comfort food.
K.
Now let's use my NVDA key plus my spacebar to go back into browse mode. Then what you can use is your H key to jump down by headings.
Coding HTML with NVDA-part.
Press it again.
10 comments heading level 2.
Awesome. Or another way you could have done it, let me go up a bit.
Blank.
You can use your NVDA key plus your Control plus your F.
Find dial.
Then you can type in the word comment.
COMMENT.
Then you would press enter.
Heading level 2 comments.
Alright, and you see that it automatically brings me down here. Now let me show you how to actually leave a comment. So, down arrow.
Clickable space. Clickable button collapse no indent sort comments. Graphic the Quinn. Edit add a comment.
Alright, now you will click here where it says edit add a comment.
Add a comment.
Now let's type in something simple like hashtag this is a test.
Number TAIS space TEST.
Then press escape to come out of the edit box. Then down arrow.
Clickable button show emoji picker.
Down arrow again.
Clickable button cancel. Clickable button comment.
Alright, then you'll press enter on the comment button. Awesome, now the comment has been made but it doesn't really tell you. So let me shift H to jump back up to that comment heading.
10 comments heading level 2.
Then let's down arrow to see my comment.
Clickable space. Clickable button collapse no indent sort comment. Graphic the Quinn. Edit add a comment. Link graphic the Quinn. Link clickable the Quinn. Link 0 seconds ago. Link number this is a test.
Awesome, so you see my comment right there. Now, in a case where you want to see if somebody has already made the suggestion that you wanted to make and you just want to vote their comment up, I would suggest you reply to their comment and say I agree. Say for instance, this is the comment that you want to agree with. You would down arrow until you hear the reply button.
Clickable button like this comment along. Clickable button dislike. Clickable button heart. Clickable button reply.
Then you would press enter.
Add a reply. Section.
Then you type something like I agree.
I space A G R E E.
Then you can escape. Then down arrow.
Out of section clickable button show emoji. Clickable button cancel. Clickable button reply.
And press enter on this reply button.
Clickable button action menu.
Awesome. Now if I should shift H back up to that comment heading.
10 comments heading level 2.
And down arrow again.
Clickable space. Clickable button collapse. Graphic the edit add a comment. Link graphic the Quinn. Link clickable the Quinn. Link 0 seconds ago. Link number this is a test. Clickable button like this. Clickable button clickable button heart. Clickable button reply. Clickable button action menu. Link graphic the Quinn. Link clickable the Quinn. Link 1 second ago. I agree.
Awesome. So now there you see the comment that I made and also the reply that I made to that comment. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a comment on my video. So thank you guys once again. Hopefully you understand the situation that I was in, but now I'm here and I'm willing to make it up for you guys. So please put out an effort and to leave your comment to let me know what videos you guys actually want me to make. But as usual, like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and remember to turn on my notifications to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Also, remember to share the video with your friends, and remember guys, no matter what, I love you. So thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Mwah.